I need a nap. It's true. Dietitian, local hospital. She's going to choose among 2 different types of foods, flakes and wode. I don't know. There's a joke there. I don't know what it is. So if you know what the joke is, let me know because I forgot. So just like the previous one, there's going to be a lot of pauses, but get up to turning this problem into words, meaning write it as a minimum problem. That'll be a break there. And then turn that min to a max. That'll be the second break. And then I'll do all the pivoting, and then we'll come back and finish the problem. We'll read the answer, I'll say. So a couple of breaks. So try to do as much as you can on your own. So first off, write the problem from English into math. All right, so here is the linear programming problem. Did you use Y's or did you use X's? Hopefully you used Y's because this is a standard min problem. Also, did you use W's or did you use a Z? Use a W. And greater than or equal to. So remember, for a standard min, Y's, W's, and greater than or equal to's are all the 3 major parts of a standard min problem. Great. So now this will turn into a standard max problem. This will be another pause. And then along with the standard max, I'm also going to set up the initial Tableau. So try to turn this min into a max. If you forget, go back a couple videos and it'll be there for you. Like math always is. Okay, so there's our standard max. Remember, Z's, X's, and less than or equal to's are the name of the game there. And then I have the initial Simplex Tableau. And you should note that the most negative number is negative 1400. So we'll choose the X sub 3 column. And the smallest ratio would be 0.03 over 4. So namely the 2, 3 entry, this guy here, will be our pivot element. So we'll pivot on that. And as I said, I'm going to go right to the good stuff. Well, not really. I'm going to show you all the pivots, but not pause in between. So you should be extremely comfortable by now. I will tell you there are 2 total pivots in this problem. If you get done early, and hopefully you have seen the previous video, you'll know how to read the answer. So try to also guess what the answer is as well. Okay, it's a time for a pause. Okay, so there's our 2 pivots, and there's our final Tableau. So remember, in order to find the answer, you read below the slacks. So y1's value is underneath S1 in the objective function. So y1 would equal, I'm going to put it up here, y1 would equal to 50. And y2 is underneath S sub 2. So that would be 300 for y sub 2. And for W, remember you read across from Z because Z and W have the same value. 23 halves is, what is that as a decimal? 1150. So we would say W is, wrong color. I want to do this correctly because it's the last video. W equals 1150. So the interpretation would be she should order, is it an order? Sure, why not? 50 ounces of flakes and 300 ounces of wode, and she'll spend a minimum cost of $11.50.